Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pay in different currencies via PayPal. I just tap on this three dots and tap to send or request payment. So after browser loading inside the request for payment, so here you will just add a contact which you will send. Just tap to send option of this person, Philip Whitman. So after loading this, you will see inside this option, so you send in USDT. So just type, the first thing is type to amount. I will just tab 100 USDT and it will be converted in some Sweden currency SEK. So if I want to change the currency which received my receiver, I will just send in euro. You send in USDT and received in your client in euro. So $100 converted in 88.30 euros. So just tap to next. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.